The Evergoods CPL24 is one of my favorite everyday carry bags. You can see the review in the info tab above. I love the build quality and the clamshell opening, but not everyone is into clamshell opening bags, so Evergoods have just released the Civic Half Zip 22 liters.
The Civic Half Zip 22, short CHZ22, is a top-loading everyday carry backpack that has the same build quality like the CPL24. But before I get ahead of myself, let's do a quick roundup of all of the important features of this backpack.
22 liters capacity. 500D high tenacity nylon 6.6 with air textured yarn and water repellent finish. YKK zippers with DWR finish. 2 stretchy side pockets, top quick access pocket with a very visible key leash, top loading main compartment with suspended laptop slot for 15-inch laptops, utility loops, top zippered pocket in the lid, big top handle, contoured shoulder straps. At first glance, you can clearly see that Evergoods wanted to create an alternative to the very popular CPL24. The CHZ22 targets everyone who wants a top-loading backpack opposed to the clamshell opening. Furthermore, they addressed some issues or rather wishes for improvement of the CPL24. With a clamshell design, it can be difficult to include a bottle compartment on the side. The CHZ22 now has 2 stretchy water bottle pockets on each side. Moreover, the laptop compartment is now suspended and does a better job of protecting the bottom of your laptop when setting the bag on the floor. In addition to the laptop slot, inside the main compartment you can find a small pocket at the top of the lid and these utility webbing loops that I found to be pretty useful to clip my lav mic onto, but you can use this for pens as well. On the outside there is a quick access compartment for all the small items that you want to grab quickly. But other than that, you can't find anything else on the outside. This is by design to keep a low profile and streamlined design. The whole bag, like all the Evergoods bags, is very comfortable to carry even with all my equipment and camera gear loaded due to this harness design. The whole bag is made out of some high quality materials that you can actually feel and that keeps everything protected. However, the zippers are so high quality that they were pretty stiff to open and close in the beginning. I used the bag every day for about 3 weeks and now they finally start to break in a little bit.
Not necessarily a flaw, but it can be pretty annoying in the beginning. But once they are broken in, they're pretty good though.
Speaking of stiff, the side water bottle pockets are made out of this stretchy material, but the material on the opening is pretty tight and can make putting stuff into it a bit cumbersome. This can be a pro because it will hold onto your bottle very well, but it is still something that you might want to consider if you have some big bottles that you want to carry around. Another thing to point out is this top pocket and the opening of the main compartment overall. Depending on what you put into this pocket, due to the design and shape of the bag, this could take away some space of the main compartment. I have this pouch inside the compartment. Granted, it's very big and fills out the whole compartment, but as soon as this compartment is full and you want to close a fully loaded bag, the top part can get very crowded, which then again makes the very stiff zipper even more difficult to close.
That being said, this could easily be solved by packing less into this compartment, but I thought I'd mention it nevertheless.
But speaking of loading the main compartment has a lot of space, especially at the bottom. But the opening of the main compartment kinda narrows, which can make filling the bigger bottom part of the main compartment cumbersome depending on the items. For instance, I load these packing cubes with my equipment, but once they are in, this narrow opening makes it difficult to fill out the rest of the bottom part. Not impossible and pretty common with most top-loading bags, but this is actually one of the reasons why I prefer clamshell opening backpacks.
And this is basically what it comes down to, personal preference. This bag is very well made and it holds a lot of items. However, unpacking and packing this bag isn't as easy and well laid out compared to a clamshell opening backpack. Furthermore, it doesn't stand up by itself, so if you want to load or unload the bag standing up, you need to balance the bag against something a little bit. That being said, this holds true to many or almost all of the top-loading backpacks. So as I said, it comes down to personal preference. I personally prefer clamshell opening backpacks to see everything that I load or unload of the bag. Bottom line, the Evergoods CHZ22 rounds up the lineup of Evergood pretty well. So if you're looking for a very well-made top-loading backpack and you need water bottle compartments, then I can highly recommend the CHZ22. But if you want the same build quality but a clamshell opening backpack, go with the CPL24. Check the description below for the detailed scores. And like always, if you have any more questions, please comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you won't miss the next videos. Thank you very much.